Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about top traded utility stocks, registered electric utility stocks for beginners for this week, and let's discuss what is happening and what are the top 3 traded stocks chart by chart. And the name of those 3 top traded stock will start with PCG, PG and E corporation. So let's start analyzing the trend and let us see what is happening over here and what the trend is actually saying. So this is the chart for PGE, and because I always focus on the long term chart, I don't generally go for the trade for the next couple of days or next couple of weeks. I generally go for years. Obviously, uh, things may happen in the short term, but if it happens very fast, then what you need to do, you need to be concerned about the big move and take your profits back as soon as possible, because things can happen on both the side. Now anyways, if you are looking at the price action, the good thing is the stock is indeed respecting its big support level and you can clearly see an up move. Okay, you can clearly see an up move, but if I may exclude the exaggeration, what we can see over here is a price action which is definitely be on the upside, but it is happening within a range. So if you are looking at PCG, what do we have here? We have 13.85 as our support and we have 9.77, which is going to be a stop loss. And moving forward, if the stock continues to hold above 13.85, it is definitely moving towards 28 and 37 in the upcoming years. So although it may trade in between a range, but there is an indication of an upside, but obviously it will take its own time. It's not going to happen in a very short amount of time. Okay, so this is the first stock. The next stock is Exelon Corp, EXC. So let us see what EXC is telling you as far as the price action is concerned. And if you are looking at Exelon Corp, okay, now this is a beautiful chart. I would say you can clearly see a swing, and instead of swinging higher, the stock is holding on to its gain. So if you are looking at the overall market is indeed quite volatile, and if some stock is holding on to its gain, it is actually a plus. So what do we have here? Primarily we have $36, which is going to be our support as well as our stop loss. So make sure you are not going below $36. And similarly, what we have on the upside, okay, what we have on the upside, if only the stock sustains or continue to sustain above 36 or more, the immediate target will be $51. But once the stock started trading and sustaining above 51 or let's say $52, then there will be a possibility that EXC or Exelon Corporation may move towards the highs of 2008, which will be in between $89 and $92 in the upcoming years. So this chart is indeed looking quite beautiful and strong right now. And there is another way to look at it. Those who are following moving averages, this stock is now trading above all the big moving averages, and I'm talking about the monthly chart. So the trend formation on both the side will definitely take time. Okay, so this is another thing. Last one is Next Era Energy or NEE stock. Now these stocks are again started ramping on the higher side. So let us see what Next Era Energy is telling you. And you can clearly see a long term chart, and if you are indeed holding this chart from the last 42 years, this you have made a decent amount of return, 5200%. And just not focus on the percentage, just focus on the compounding. You would have increased your amount multifold if you indeed been invested for the last 4 decades. But this is something, this is not a normal scenario where we can simply buy a stock and it's been performing for the next 40-50 years. So this will requires an additional set of skill plus some good luck. Now if you are looking at the trend, the overall trend is very strong, there is no doubt about it. But right now it's been consolidating and it is taking its time out before it actually started moving higher. But since it has been consolidating for the last 3 years, so there is no point going beyond the range until and unless the stock itself makes a move on the upside or makes a breakout above 94.5 or more. But right now, if you are looking at the consolidation, which is very positive, and obviously once the consolidation is over, the stock will definitely move higher. But since it's been trading within the range, so we are going to discuss the range. So on the downside we have 69 and 68, and on the upside we have 87 and the big target of 94 or 95, which will become your big resistance. But once the stock started trading above 95, it will be its next breakout after a couple of years of consolidation. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.